Lesson 1, The Birth of Chinese Civilization. Essential question: what makes a culture unique? Guiding questions: how have rivers, mountains, and deserts shaped the development of China's civilization? Number 2, why did China's Shang rulers become powerful? And number 3, how did the Zhou claim the right to rule China? Some terms to know: warlord, a leader who has his own army. Aristocrat, a person who belongs to the highest class of society. Ancestor, a family member who is no longer living. Pictograph, a symbol in a writing system based on pictures. Ideograph, a symbol in a writing system that represents a thing or an idea. Bureaucracy, a group of non-elected government officials. Hereditary, having title or possession by reason of birth. Mandate of heaven, belief that the Chinese king's right to rule came from the gods. Tao, Chinese system of beliefs that describe the way a king must rule. This is a map of where in the world we will be studying. When did it happen? The timeline: 1750 BC, Zhou Dynasty begins. This is where we are in history now.